What's up guys, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to withdraw Hamster Kombat Coin to Bybit. And before we start, I want to say, please make sure you watch until the end of the video because only then you will be able to do this with Bybit. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. We go to our Hamster app, airdrop, and then we see here Bybit Exchange. You click on this. And in order to do this, you need to have an account. So I click on yes, I have it. And we see that we need to fill in some details in here. And to get those details, we go to our Bybit app. And in Bybit, you type in HMSTR, and then you will see the hamster coin. And with the information you get when you click on this, you will be able to fill in those details. And if you're not able to get those details because your hamster is not popping up in your Bybit app, then you need to watch my other video because there I will be explaining on how to solve this issue. But assuming you have it, you fill it in, you go back, you click on save and choose at the bottom, and that's it guys. That's how you do it, that's how you link it.